Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn some English words with their Hindi and Marathi meaning. So let's begin. P-E-E-L, peel means in Hindi chilna and in Marathi solne. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow, pillow means in Hindi takiya and in Marathi ushi. ARTIFICIAL, artificial means in Hindi बनावटी and in Marathi कृत्रिम. EXPENSIVE, expensive means in Hindi महंगा and in Marathi महाग. RNTENTION, intention means in Hindi इरादा and in Marathi हेतु. SHADOW, shadow, shadow means in Hindi छाया and in Marathi सावली. RECOGNIZ, recognize means in Hindi पहचानना and in Marathi ओळखणे. ALLOW, allow means in Hindi अनुमति देना and in Marathi परवानगी देणे. QUARREL, quarrel, quarrel means in Hindi झगड़ा and in Marathi भांडण. CHILDHOOD, childhood, childhood means in Hindi बचपन and in Marathi बालपण. PERHAPS, perhaps means in Hindi शायद and in Marathi कदाचित. ALWAYS, always, always means in Hindi हमेशा and in Marathi नेहमी. OPINION, opinion means in Hindi राय and in Marathi मत. BLURRED, blurred, blurred means Hindi धुंदला and in Marathi अंधुक किंवा अस्पष्ट. AUCTION, auction, auction means in Hindi नीलामी and in Marathi लिलाव. BOTHER, bother means in Hindi परेशान करना and in Marathi त्रास देणे. FLEXIBLE, flexible means in Hindi लचीला and in Marathi लवचिक. INQUIRY, inquiry means in Hindi पूछताछ and in Marathi चौकशी. NEVER, never means in Hindi कभी नहीं, in Marathi कधीही नाही. STEAM, steam means in Hindi भाप देना and in Marathi वाफ देणे. GOSSIP, gossip means in Hindi गपशप करना and in Marathi गप्पा टप्पा और गप्पा मारणे.